Okay, first things first. When it comes to Roman blinds, there are a number of different fixing systems. These are probably the three main ones that you will encounter. The first one, if you'd like to bring it in nice and close, is where there is a cord operated Roman blind. Now normally these will be held on by a bracket which has Phillips head screws on it. Quite simple, take out the Phillips head screws, the blind will come down. The second of the options is when there is a track. Now with a Roman track, they're normally held on by clips that are screwed to the wall. So in order to release those, you would push in on this piece at the front and release the blind. To put it back in, all you would do is pull it into the front, push straight up. The second one, pretty much the same, slightly different bracket, but works the same way. When you go to put it back on, this one's slightly reverse and push it back on. There are a number of variations on these brackets for the tracks, but basically they all work the same.